If you are a beginner, this is the question. Should I learn UI design or UX design first? Today, I'm giving you a clear answer so you can stop guessing and start learning. Hey everyone, I'm Ali Reza and welcome to Parallane. First up, let's talk about what UI and UX actually are. UI stands for user interface. It's all about the look and feel of a product. Colors, typography, buttons, inputs, layout, and of course so many other elements in design. It's what you see and interact with on your screen. But UX stands for user experience. This is the process of designing a product that is useful, easy to use, and provides a great experience for the user. It's all about the logic and flow behind the design. Think of it as the why behind what you're designing. Now, here's the thing. People often think you have to choose between UI and UX, but in reality, they go hand in hand. Great UI needs great UX. To be effective in design, we need them both together. But the question is, should I learn UI or UX design first? For most beginners, I recommend starting with UX, because UX is all about understanding the problem. Before you jump into making something look pretty, you need to understand the user's needs, pain points, and goals. Once you know that, you can design a solution that works. For example, if you're designing a food delivery app and focus on UI, meaning choosing fonts and colors without understanding user needs, you might end up with a beautiful app that's hard to use. Users could struggle to find their favorite restaurants or get lost in checkout. This is where UX comes in. You'd start by researching user pain points like wanting quicker access to frequent orders or clearer categories. Once you understand the problems, you can design solutions like adding a reorder button or improving navigation. Now, if you're feeling like you need a deeper dive into both UI and UX, my complete course is designed to walk you through everything. Check the link in the description below. By the way, learning UX first sets you up for a solid foundation. Once you know how to create user flows, personas, and wireframes, trust me, UI design becomes way easier because you're designing with a purpose, not just trying to make things look cool. Think of it this way. UX is the strategy and UI is the execution. You wouldn't launch a product without a clear strategy, right? Same goes for design. Alright, let's wrap this up. If you start with UX, don't stress. You'll still be creating amazing interfaces, and once you've got a handle on UX, jumping into UI design will feel like putting the final puzzle pieces together. A lot of people get caught up in thinking they need to pick one or the other right off the bat. But remember, design is a process and these two fields work together. So if you're just starting, focus on UX first, but keep in mind both are crucial skills in a designer's toolkit and you'll need both to really excel. You might think that if you work in a big team where you're only doing UI design, you don't need to know UX. But that's not true. Even as a UI designer, you still need some UX knowledge. For example, when placing a button, you should ask, what problem does it solve? Does it provide a good user experience? Should it be bigger or smaller? If you understand UX well, you'll know things like, for instance, designing larger buttons for an app aimed at older users, since they often have visual impairments. So mastering UX is crucial, even for UI designers. Alright, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.